Next, in CSS, we are going to create this login form. It has full name, then is email address, then is password, and then we have to create two sub buttons. First is submit and second is cancel. So this is our login.html, and this is our basic HTML code. Here within body section, we are creating div, and this class we will be creating later on. Name of this class is center. Then form action equals to, as of now we are not giving anything in action, we are just putting hash here. Then post, sorry, method equals to post, here is h1 login, and now here we'll be creating label for. Our first thing is, first input we have to take a full name, so here we'll be giving, you can write anything here, we have given here name, and here it is full name. Now input type equals to text, name equals to, it should be small case name, whatever we are writing here we have to give in name. Then placeholder equals to, within double quotes we have to give whatever we want, to be written in text box. Enter your full name, and required. If user forgets to fill this field, it will give you a prompt message that you have to fill this field. Similarly, we are creating email address, password fields. Now we have created our name, email and password fields. Save it, click on go live. So this is our full name, this is the email, and this is password. Next we have to create two buttons. So for that, here it will be button type within double quotes submit, and class equals to, this class will be creating later, equals to submit b, and here we'll be writing submit. Similarly, second button is button type equals to button, and here we'll be creating class equals to, this is going to be cancel b, and here it will be cancel. So we have created three text boxes, one for name, one for email ID, one for password, and two buttons, one is submit button and second is cancel button. Save it. So this is how our web page is looking right now. Now what we have to do is we have to make classes. So in head section, Here we are doing style, and within style, first of all I'll be writing body, and here will be font family. Here I'm taking it as this one. Now here we have created a class center. So first of all we'll be creating center class. For that, dot center, and here I'm writing position absolute. We want our form should be in center of page. So for that, position absolute. Then from top I want it to be 10%, should be that distance, and from right I want it to be 20%, and width of this whole form should be 50%. It should cover 50% of our screen. Now here it is already assigned and the div is already closed here. Save it, click on go live. So you can see that all our things are in center. Next, here it is input type equals to text, and the second thing we'll be using is input type equals to password. For that we are giving width, we want it to be whatever is the size of form, we want that in that width should be 100%. Then padding should be 16 pixel. Next I want that margin to be 12 pixel and 0. Then display inline block. We can write display inline or as also, but a display inline block follows margin and padding. That's why we are using inline block here. Then border we are giving as a 3 pixel solid, and box size in to be border box. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that it is looking like this. We forgot to make it bold, so what we have to do here is, here we have to put bold text. Similarly, we will be putting bold in front of email and password. Save it and click on go live. So these text box heading has got bold effect. Email and password all are in bold. Now we want that whenever we click on this, it should get a focus effect of background color. So for that, yeah, we're writing input type equals to text and comma input type equals to second field is password, we want that whenever we click on in these boxes, it should get focus. So here we have to put focus, and here also we have to put focus. At the time of focus, background color should change to Alice blue. Save it and go live. So here whenever we are focusing, its color is changing. Now we have to provide style to submit button and cancel button. So here this is button, background color. Right now here I'm giving it blue, and color of text should be white. Width I'm giving is 100%. Border to be none. Cursor to be of type pointer, and here I'm giving padding of 12 pixel and 12 pixel, and margin I'm giving is 12 pixel and 0. Save it, click on go live. So both these buttons will be getting all these changes. So both the buttons are blue in color, they are 100%. Color of the text is white. Now we want that whenever you hover over that button, it should get a little light. So for that, button, and here I'm giving hover. Now here for that we have to give opacity, and it is 0.5. Save it and click on go live. So whenever we are hovering, it is not changing. Button. So whenever we are hovering over it, these buttons are changing its color. Now next we want that we have created two classes here, submit B and cancel B. So for that, first is submit B, and in this class what we want is width of submit button should be 50%, should be 50%, and float, it should float to left, and our second button is cancel button. And for that we want that its width should be 50% and it should also float left. Save it and go live. So we can see that both the buttons have come side to side of each other. Now we don't want buttons to cover 100% of this width. We want the submit button, and there should be a gap between submit button and cancel button. So for that, Here within button, we are changing its width from 100% to, okay, let it be 100%. Here we are changing its width from 50% to 40%, and it is also 40%. Save it, click on go live. So it has, but there should be space in between two. So what we have to do here is, here we have given margin 12 pixel and second is 0. So here we have to change the margin to 5 pixel. So here there is space added in between two buttons. And now we have to change the color of this button. So this is cancel button and we have to change its color. So here we'll be giving background color to be, we are taking crimson. Save it and click on go live. So it has changed to crimson. So this is our login form. This is our text field, which will be getting full name. This is email field. This is password field. This is submit button, and this is cancel button. Whenever we are clicking on this button, we have kept this field empty. So it is giving us a message that please fill out this field, because we have put this required. We have put required here, so we cannot leave that field empty. So this was our login form.